Check out this video to learn the difference between good and well. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. If you're a new viewer, please click on the bell button below and subscribe to my channel. That way you will receive notification when I release a new video. Also, I really appreciate your comments and for sharing my videos. Thank you so much. The topic of this video is the difference between good and well. The word good is an adjective. It is always used with a noun. And remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Let's look at some examples. She is a good singer. Good is the adjective and singer is the noun. It is a good book. Good is the adjective and book is the noun. So remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Good is the adjective that comes before the noun. In American English, you may often hear someone praise another person or praise you by saying, good job. You did a good job. Or for another person, she did a good job. We could make it longer and say she did a good job on her homework. So good is the adjective here. Good job. The word well is an adverb. It is used to modify a verb or an adjective. And it often answers the question, how? Let's look at some examples. She sings well. How does she sing? She sings well. It answered that question, how? Notice that this is different than she's a good singer. In that sentence, the position was good, adjective, before noun, singer. In she sings well, you can see that well comes after the verb sings. She sings well. Do you sing well? I can't sing well. Let's look at another example. He speaks English well. How is his English? Oh, he speaks English well. Here's another sentence example. I don't know her very well. Well is an adverb and know is the verb. I don't know her very well. One special case is when we talk about if a person is happy or healthy. In that case, we use the word good. So this would be incorrect. She feels well. The correct way to say this is she feels good. How do you feel? Well, I hope you answer, I feel good. All right, those are the rules for using the two words good and well. I hope it will help you become better at speaking English. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.